In a recent video, I built a Cinelog 20 from GEPRC. I show how you put every part together, and that way you can maybe use the video to repair or to create your own. But then after that, a lot of people, together with my customers, are asking, what's the best battery that I can use with that drone? And today I want to show you 4 batteries that I tested, the ones that I thought that it was in the best range for this drone. And I want to show how long each of those batteries last, so you have an idea what you should be getting for your Cinelog 20. Just so we are everyone in the same page, the way that I'm testing is that I'm flying around my house like a regular fly, no special tricks or anything, and I take the batteries down to 3.6 volts per cell. That's the way that I'm counting the minutes that you're gonna see here. So let's start with the smallest battery that I have here. This is a Tattu 450 milliampere hours. It's the smallest one of all of them. It's actually something, when you look at the pieces that the Cinelog 20 comes with and you look at the strap, the battery strap, it feels like GEPRC was thinking about something like this to have in the drone, because the strap fits very well these ones, but none of the other ones. So starting with the 450 milliampere hours, I'm getting around 3 minutes flight time. The drone doesn't have anything like a Naked GoPro or anything, it's just the drone, so you have to keep that in mind. That means that with this little battery, you get 3 minutes. It's not a bad time, especially if you think that the drone gets very, very agile when it's using these light batteries. So you could be able to do a little bit more of a maneuver if you have to, if you are filming for something like that. And still 3 minutes could be quite okay. Remember, I'm doing the test with only the O3, thinking that that's the way that most probably people are flying this drone. That's the specific or the best feature of this drone, a small drone with an O3, right? So no naked camera. Battery number 2, 650 from GNB. A lot of people is saying that 650, 660 is the best battery that you can get for the Cinelog 20. In my test, this is a good battery. I got around 5 minutes. Let's say 450 to 5 minutes. That's a very good value if you're thinking about the weight of this battery. If we move to the next step, I have a 750 from Tattu R-Line model. This battery, when you consider the weight and you consider the amount of energy that it has, it's the one that is performing the best of all of them. It's giving me around 5 minutes and 30 seconds. And then we have the biggest one of all of them, 850. This is a Tattu battery, it's not R-Line. And remember, normally R-Lines are a bit better. I would say that you could think about an R-Line more as an HV battery. But anyway, this 850 from Tattu is giving me around 5 minutes. Same time as the GNB was giving me. But this one is much heavier than the GNB, which means that the way that the drone flies, it's completely different. When you are flying with an 850, you feel like you're driving a truck on this drone. It's more difficult to turn, it's more difficult to control. So it's a battery that I would say I wouldn't recommend that much. You don't gain a lot of battery time, or actually you don't gain anything if you are comparing it to the 750. And the way that it feels, the way that the drone feels is not the nicest one. So quick summary, 450, 3 minutes, still good time if you want to have agility with the drone. 650, 660, it's a good battery if you have them. But if you're buying new batteries for your drone and you want the best flight time, I would recommend the 750 range. And this one, especially the R-Lines, very, very good battery, giving the best flying time for the Cinelog 20 and still it's the weight allows you to maneuver the drone in a very, very nice way. So I hope this little video helps you choose your battery. You have some reference. I didn't try with a naked camera, as I said before, because I find it to be enough filming with the O3. But if you are gonna have a naked camera, you have to consider the weight, and then maybe the 660, 650, it's going to make more sense. But I would still think that the 750 will be a very good battery to consider, even if you're having a naked camera on this drone. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.